Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can share a video recording in your Loom account to your Loom space, for example, to work with it with your co-editors. So let us get started. Alright guys, so navigate to loom.com, log into your account, and you will need to access your library of video recordings first. To do that, click into this button here on the left hand side, library, just above meetings, and then select either screenshots, videos, or archive. Now I'm going to do this with a video. So once you have recorded a Loom, you can do that by clicking into this button or by clicking into a new video here in the top right, select record a video with your, for example, to capture the screen or with your webcam, or you may upload one, for instance. It will appear here in the list of videos below. So I recorded this one here for demonstration purposes 6 days ago. And below you will see the information that is not shared. So if you'd like to add it to space, make sure that the space is already created. You will see the overview of all spaces here in the bottom left, view all spaces. Now, what you want to do, guys, is click into these 3 dots here. More actions, or you may click also into this button, share video to space. Look for the space by clicking into that search bar here or select it from that list below. So I will go with this space here. Check this box to the right, select it, click into share, and as you can see, it has been shared basically to all spaces and within my account here on Loom. That's it. Now what you want to do as well is, for example, navigate to the given space. So let me do that. And you will see the video shared here. So it did indeed work. You can also add a video directly within your space by clicking into add video here. And do the same method, or use the same method I showed you. Add from library, select the given video, and have it in your space to share it with your co-video editors, for example, that are part of your or members of your space. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.